Hello children, welcome to Shrajan Artwork House. Today we are going to complete class 6 part 2 of Knowing Our Numbers, Mathematics, and I'm your mentor Deepika Garg. Children, it's an amazing session as maths is a very interesting subject and it's a very easy subject, and the topic covered in our previous sessions were comparing numbers, greater smaller number, making digits, okay, ascending, descending, and shifting the positions of the digits. And today I'm just solving sums, problem sums. Name itself is a problem, okay, and we are doing multiplication, addition, and subtraction with the estimation of numbers. Then we are going to expanding brackets and Roman numbers, okay. Next, now the problem sums. Children, this is none other than you have done in your previous classes. Same problem sums are being stated over here. Simply, the major thing that you will cover in these chapters with your exams will be that you will get greater digits. In previous classes, you used to get digits in ones, twos, and threes. Yani 3 digits number you would have got. You might be getting, and now you're going to get digits in lakhs and crores. Okay, so let's start. This question is Akshat won a lottery prize of cash rupees. Now children, what is the thing that you don't have to repeat the number, don't read the number, you just memorize how many digits are there in the number. You have to break it from here that you have 6 digits and in the next number you have 5 digits, because now you make mistakes in writing the digits. So we'll write the problem. Now the statement for this is lottery prize won by Akshat is rupees 1,57,800. Then is amount already deposited in the bank is 45. So you'll write like this, and amount already deposited, and the major part of the question is now how to find out what we have to do. We have 4 mathematical operations: plus, minus, multiply, and divide. Now what we should do, children, to find out that whether we have to do plus or minus, in plus question will give you last part of the problem sums, last sentence, that what is his current bank balance. Means you have to find there was already 45,000 and now you have added this. It means you have to plus in there. Okay, the total amount you have to write, and you have to be careful while writing the numbers. You have to write a 6-digit number here, then a 5-digit number. Number placement of the number should be correct, like this: ones upon ones and tens on top of tens, 100. Placements of the number and should be correct, and then you will get the correct answer. And the major thing when the children make a mistake is you don't write the unit. Unit is what is this number. This number stands for what? Either this is 2,02,800 chocolates or what? Then the unit for this is the unit for this is rupees. That you have to write the answer in rupees. Nowadays we denote the rupees like this. So you have to write, if the question have you are given a question in which RS is written, then you have to write RS. If it is given like this, you have to answer the question like this. Okay, then next question. Again, a shoe factory manufactured 6. You don't have to read the number. You only have to see that how many digits. There are 5 digits, 3 digits, and 4. 5 digits, and then there are 3 digits. Okay, a shoe factory manufactured 66 to 50 shoes in 250 days. How many shoes did it manufacture per day? The major part of question is this: how many shoes per day? When there is per day written in the question, then it means you have to do the divide. Like this, statement will be number of shoes manufactured, number of days, number of shoes in one day. Number of shoes in one day will be, you will divide it like this, and on top you are getting this number, that is 265 is the answer, and this is number of shoes. Next question, it is in 228. If 228 butterflies, children, I have taken a smaller number in this question so that you don't get confused or you don't get panicked that you are doing a greater problem sums. So I have taken a 100-digit number, and same thing you can get with the greater number. You have to note down the placement, and we are just now finding out how to do the problem sums. If for mathematical operations, plus, minus, multiply and divide, to find out which mathematical operations we have to do in this question is, if 228 butterflies out of 668 butterflies form a tree, flies from a tree, how many butterflies are left? Left means bachi hai. It means that you have to do minus. If you see in the last half of the statement or the problem, you see that there is little left, then you have to perform a minus. Statement for this number will be, number of butterflies, a bigger number should be written on top. Then is number of butterflies flied out like this. Then you have, now you can do it horizontally, or you can do the sum vertically like this also, and greater number should be placed on top. Once on the ones digit, placement of the digit should be like this. Okay, and then we are getting the answer. And 440 is what? What is 440? Is this again mangoes? No, this is the season of not mango. This is not a season of mangoes. So 440 is butterflies, which left. So you have to write the units in every question. Okay. Next question. Next problem. Next problem is the distance. The distance between the school of Reena. Let's look at this, children. This diagram is not being given in the question. I have made this diagram for you, as you will not be provided with this diagram in the question. So this is Reena's house and this is Reena's school, and the distance between the Reena's house and Reena's school is 1 kilometer for 80 meters, and every day she has to walk. She goes to school and she stays over there, and then she come back to school. She have to walk both way. And question is, what distance she covered in 6 days? You have to tell how many kilometers she daily walked in 6 days. The distance between the school, statement will be like this. Then his next statement, distance covered in 6 days. Okay, I have converted this kilometer into meters. Okay, 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. 1000 meters. So I have converted 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter plus 480 meters. So it will be 1480 meters, and this is written here in the question here. So like this. And next we will multiply 480 into 6, as it is 6 days a week. Then we will again multiply this number with 2, as she has to walk both the way. So answer is 17,760. So what it is? It is what? Again, it's a chocolate? No, it's not a chocolate. That's why, what is this? You have to put a comma. It is kilometers or meters. This is meters. Now we have to convert 17. It will become 17 kilometers. You can write the answer this much also, 17,760 meters, or you can write 7 kilometers 760 meters. Okay. Then is next question is again a problem sums. To stitch a pant of 1 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed, and out of 36 meters cloth, how many pants can be stitched? How many pants? It means again you have to divide. So much amount of cloth is being given to you when from the 4 mathematical operations, plus, minus, multiply and divide. Add is not given, left is not given, product is not given. How many you have to find when something more is given and less is being asked to you? When you are asked that you have to find per cost, per piece, per day, then you should use divide. So we have to perform divide in this question. How much cloth will remain? To write the statement, we are giving the things given in the question only. You should always write, to get good marks, you should always write what is given. Given is the things you are given in the question. Okay. Then is 20. Cloth needed to stitch one pant is 15. 1 meter 15 centimeter. Then is number of pants stitched. This is a question, so I put a question mark. Number of cloth remaining. This is written. I haven't written this thing on my own. Everything, this information is being given in the question. So while solving a problem sums, you should first write what is given in the question. Then this is the major part which you should cover, that is the meters table. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. 1 meter 15 centimeter. Again you add 115, that is 115, or 36 meter, again 3600 centimeters. You have to divide this number. This 36 is this number, total cloth. This is the total cloth, and 115 is a cloth for one pant. And for one pant, how many pants you can stitch? Then we have the number 32. 32 is the answer for number of pants. And what about this 20? What is this 20? Is this again a chocolate? No, this is not number of chocolates or number of pants. This is the remaining cloths. And what is the unit for this? I will write it centimeters. 20 centimeter of cloth is being left behind, left over cloth. Okay, so you have to write a unit for 20 centimeters. Now children, we are going to do round off. I have told that while learning the tables 5 and zeros, it's very easy to deal with 5 and 0. That's why a human brain has taken a number that is round off. We have created a digit of round off. Round off means lump sum. कई बार मम्मा कहती है mama or papa gives you money and they give you the money in round off and they say that to purchase something. Then they give you the round of money, and the remaining money you have to bring back. So in the same way, when we deal with greater number, we use this digits. So first we will do this we'll learn this round off in 2 digits. That is 43. 43. If a number is smaller than 5, then you convert that place into 0. This 3 is smaller than 5. So I will convert this number into 0. I will write 40. For round off, I will write 40. But if a number is greater than 5 or equal to 5, then you should add 1 in that number. Okay? You should add in the previous number 1. So we will add 1 in seconds place. That we will write it 80. Okay, we will add, or you can say we will add 10. If this number is greater than 5, you will add 10. So 70 plus 10 is 80. Okay, next we have some questions for round off. If you are able to understand, write in the chat box that you are able to understand, and if you are not getting it, then also you just give me in the chat box. Okay. Now rounding off till tens. This number we have done in the previous slide. Okay. To round off 32, 2 is, we will see. Okay. This is tens. So how many zeros are there? There is only 1 0. So we have to concentrate on the 1 zeros place, and ones place. Ones place, 2 is written. 2 is smaller than 5. You always have to concentrate on the number 5. Okay, so this 2 number is smaller than 5, then the number will become 30. Okay, and now second, again 10 is written over here. If 10's digit, then you have to concentrate on 8, and it will become 16, because this number is greater than 5. Okay, now to round off up till 100. 100's place. So how many zeros are there? There are 2 zeros. The simple trick is you have to change the number at double zeros place. That is 99. So you have to use the tens place to change. This number is 9, which is greater than 5. Then you have to add 100 to, or you have to add 1 on the hundreds place. Then it will become 200. The next number again at hundreds place, there is double zero. This will, you have to concentrate on this place, and it will become 100. Now, some children find it very boring. Round off is very boring, but round off is not boring. It's very interesting because you have to do the calculations in zeros. You have to do the calculation of plus, minus, in multiply into zeros, and it's very easy to perform zero activity. Zero activity means you have to multiply with 0, or you have to add or subtract with 0. It's very easy. Okay, so round off is a very good technique. You should learn it. We have 3 zeros, 1 0, 2 0, 3 0. So we will see the third place, that is 9 in both the numbers. So 9 is greater than 5. The number will be 2000. Then again 3 0. Again 3 0. So third place, hundreds place, it is smaller than 5, then it will be 1000. So 10,000. For 10,000, we have 4 0. We have 4 0, 1 2 3 4. So we have to look at fourth place, this place. This is smaller than 2. It's a very easy trick, children. Don't get panic. Don't get panic that it's very boring. At how many number of zeros? There are 4 zeros. So you have to see at 4th place. You have to change. Look at 4th place and change the 5th place. If it is smaller than 2, 5, then you have to change this into 0. You don't have to change the previous 5th place. Again, for 10,000, I have given you, and I think so, I am giving the time to look it up and do it yourself. 4 zeros, 4th place. I think so, you might have got it. How to do the question? Like this. Right. Okay. Now, we have to perform the same estimation with addition. Wow, it's very easy. Okay, the estimation of 72, yani 72, 2 is smaller than 5, then 2 is smaller than 5, then it will be 70, and 4, 8 is bigger than 5, then it will be 50, and I have to add. It's a very easy number. I have done this number. I have taken smaller number so as to perform, make it easy. Okay, the answer will be like this. We have to be particular about the position of the numbers. Next, second question you have to do. Can you do it earlier than me? Yes, now you can do it. 568. 586. Number will be 600 because 6 is a greater number. Right, 120. It will be 700. Okay, next number is, okay, when it is at 100 number, when you are given a number of 3 digit, then you have to take it, you have to check the number at tens place. Okay, tens place is 3, it's smaller than 5, then you take it as 7 zeros and it will be like this. Next is multiplication. It's very easy. Again, I am using easy. So you'll think, ki, what is this, ma'am? You are again and again using easy, but we find it difficult. No, it's not difficult, beta. 87. Now you can round off 2-digit number. 87 is 90. And for 30, 313. We have to round off only at tens place. At tens place, because it's not given to you that you have to round up till 10, till 100 or till 1000. So you have to round off the zeros ones place only. Okay, then you will get the answer like this, and you don't have to multiply the zeros. You simply have to write zeros over here and you have to calculate. Don't, children, I have seen that many children perform multiplication for zeros also. It's very easy trick that you don't have to multiply 0. You have to simply write the zeros like that only. Don't do the childish multiplication. If you have written 0, 0 on their place, see how many zeros are there in the question and write the number of zeros in the answer directly. And then 9 ones are 9 and 9 threes are 27. You can write it directly in the question paper. Then his next question is 9 and I have rounded off it as 10, and again ones place is 5, it is greater, so I am changing the digit, it will be 800, and it's very easy, you can write it down. 000, you write it like this, remainder is 1 and 8, 8 ones are 8, so answer can be written directly. Sorry, that is a mistake. This question is done wrong. It cannot be 78, it is 8000. Okay. Then is next question is 878. Now to round off, I have given you the answer straight away. and you can again do it this not by multiplying it zero zeros. You can see that there is 4 zeros. You simply write 4 zeros in your answer, and 7 8s are 9 8s are 72. You can write the answer directly like this. You don't have to perform your calculation in this tabular manner. You can give the answer straight away. Then his next question is 95. I hope so you can do the question by yourself now. I'm just giving the time. Yes. Now 95 can be written as 100 and 47 as 50, and it's easy to calculate it orally. I think so you can tell the answer. Right, it is 5000. Very good. Now we have done estimation for addition, multiplication. Now it's time for subtraction. Children, there is very interesting thing that out of the 4 mathematical operation, plus, minus, multiply and divide, have you ever seen that what is the change in the number? There is some change in plus and multiply. The number, the result always increases. You will either get the same number or you will get a bigger number. And in subtraction and division, the number reduces. You will always get a smaller number. So I pray to God that your happiness always multiply, or you have an addition in your happiness, but your sorrows and misery should minus and divide. Okay. Okay. Now we are doing subtraction. For subtraction, there is two-digit number, that is 48 and 98. Let's do a competition, whether I do it fast or you do it fast. I don't have to explain it again and again. What is the estimated value? Right. And what is the subtraction? Yes, bigger number should be placed up. So it's an easy number. You can do the calculation by yourself. Yes, orally. Now with the next bigger number, 3-digit number. Let's do again a competition, and you have to complete it before I do it. 189. That will round off in 200, and 978 into 1000. Again you can do. Look at this, children. Can you do you find estimation very difficult? No, it's not difficult, and you can see that you can perform this activity orally. These two numbers can be subtracted, multiplied, or normally. Okay, so the answer is like this. Okay, there was a mistake in my computer. Okay, now with a 4-digit number, again faster finger first. Let's see who comes, who performs the activity more faster than me. For a 4-digit number, you have to concentrate on the 3rd digit. This digit, I am just helping you. So what will be the number? Let's see this. 3000 and 5000 and 5000. Yes, it's an easy calculation. You don't have to concentrate on this calculation. It's very easy. The major thing is the number and the estimation. If you have learned correctly the estimation number, then it's very easy for you to just calculate the number. Now it's very interesting, Roman numbers. Isn't it? We are learning English, Hindi, Maths, Sanskrit, Marathi and other languages. But this numbers language, we use it and it's a very, and today I have got again a mnemonic for you for this Roman number. I have made a video for Roman numbers also, easy for the beginners, so that you can learn the Roman numbers easily. Every number I will tell you first again in short, in this slide only. Every number is being written in maximum three times. It can be repeated maximum three times, like this. One one is repeated three times, then is V1, that is I is repeated only three times, maximum three times it can be written. Then is V, it can be written only once. Then is X, it also can be written three times. Then again we have L, which can be written only once. And then is C, which can be written at three times. D, only one time. And M, again for three times. Look, you can use this number three times. This for 1, this for 3, this for 1, this for 3, this for 1, this for 3. And mnemonic for this is Medical Xavier. Medical Xavier. Medical Xavier. What is this mnemonic? Children, there is one problem that we are not able to learn these numbers. You'll say, ma'am, we know this is written in the book, but we are not able to. So today I'm just telling you the mnemonic for this. And the mnemonic for this is that you have to learn this Medical Xavier. Medical, M stands for 1000. I will just tell you two things, that medical is first. Medical is first, so medical M. M stands for medical, this is 1000. D stands for 500, and you can see, children, you can see zeros at behind, that behind this medical you have 301, 2, 3. 3 yellow dots. It means you have to put 30. For D, there are D, there are three. There are two places. So 2 places. Then there are 2 zeros. Okay. For 100 also. Okay. Then is X, 5 and 1. These all. Okay. Let's do this. Okay. Write the Roman numbers for each of the following. 33. 33. 30 means you have to write 10. This is 20. 30. Now for 3, you have to write 31, 32, 33. Like this, you have to write it like this. Okay, for 1, 5, 9, I said Medical Xavier. Medical Xavier. M A D Medical. MADICAL. Medical Xavier. M is for 1000. You can remember it like this. 500. You can just write this mnemonic before going or before performing exams. So you're not cheating it. You are cheating it from your mind. Like this. 400. You will write C. 50 for L. 50 and 4. Like this. So answer can be written like this. Then again 7. 173. 1 is for C. Then is 7, 50, 60, 70. add one by one, so that it will make you easy to do the Roman number. Again for performing third Roman number, fourth Roman, 3000. 3000 is medical is 1000, so you'll write M 3 times. If you are not able to understand, you can take slide back, you can move a little back. And get the answers. Okay, 3M, CM. Children, I will tell you one thing more, that for Roman numbers, when we are very confused in 4 and 6, I will tell you. For 5, you can write 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. So for writing minus, you have to write it on the left side. For adding 1, you have to write on right side. So if you have to write 6, you can write like this. And for 4, 5 minus 1, so you can write that minus 1 on the left side of this. So you will get the clear answer. In the same way, when you have to write for 100, 900, 900 is neither 9 times C or MC. So you can write is M, that is 1000, and minus 100, that is C, which you have to write. If you have to minus number, then you have to write it on the left side. If you have to add number, if you have to write 1000, 1100, the M, C is for 1100. And now again, same question like this. I think so you are able to understand, so you do it more faster than me. And the answer is like this. Triple M. 3000 is 3 times M. 3 times M. Then is 700. For 700, this is medical. Medical D is 500. 6, 700. Then is 90. 90 again. 90 is for 100 minus 10. That is left side. So you have to write is XC. And 4, that is 5 minus 1. On the left side, it will be this. Now again, children, for doing this, for writing in the Hindu Arabic number, Indian number system, this is 10, 10, 20, 20 and 4. Is it 24? No, 24 is wrong, because 1 is being placed before, after 5, so it's 5 plus 1, 6. It is 26. Right number is 26. Then is next number 10, 10, 10, 10, 20. 29. Then is 50, 50, 10, 10, 72. It will be written as 72. Then is 10, C. 10 C. C is for 100. So I have told you that if you write 100, it will, you have to minus 10. 100 minus 10 is 90. 90 and 1 stands for 1. 91. It will be written as like this. Okay, if you are not able to understand this Roman number series, then you can just have a look at another detailed description of Roman numbers. Okay, thank you children for watching the videos. Please like, share and subscribe, and if you like, please like the channel.
अभी इसको छोड़ो, आप जल्दी तैयार होकर जल्दी जाओ।
हमें बाहर जाना है। दादा का एक्चुअली है ना बीपी वापस बढ़ गया तो लेने का, दादा को भूख नहीं लगी, दादा कह रहे मेरे लिए एप्पल ले आओ। डॉक्टर अभी आ रहे हैं देखने के लिए।
तो तुम जल्दी करो क्या करें, जल्दी करे, मैं क्या करूँ?
एप्पल लानी है आपको।
हाँ तो ठीक है, तो मुझे ये बोलो ना लिख के दो कि दादा का ब्लड प्रेशर हाई है, तो वीडियो तो इम्पोर्टेंट थोड़ी ना है। और वो बार बार डिस्कनेक्ट रिकनेक्ट रिकनेक्ट हो गया।
क्या होगा देखो,
मैं उससे बात की यहाँ की चुपचाप बजा रही है मेरे सामने। कौन? तू? मुझे क्या पता क्या हुआ? जी हाँ।